I know a lot of us are scared to trim our ends because we don't want to lose length, but split ends will hold your hair back every time. Today we're doing a necessary transformation. Okay, let's see what she's doing. If your hair isn't breaking, you don't need a trim. Yes, you do. Your hair be splitting up all the way up. Wow. Okay. Wow. I just got my hair trimmed. I gotta start all over. Oh man. She did a really good job. And yeah, especially when you have color, ooh, it chops it off really bad. Yeah, they gotta go. Ooh, look at all that hair. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. Pretty and long, and I bet it's thick too. Wow. All that gotta go. Yep, that's how mine was. I had to get mine cut like that, y'all. But it grow back. I just gotta keep working with it. Okay, so my recommendation, client approved. So let me see how this is going to change in a transformation way. Okay, no split ends. Wow. You can't even see where it was thinning at. See, most beauticians, they'll just cut all the way where it started to go up, but they did that. Ooh, yeah, all that gotta go. You can see right through it. They gotta go. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah, like, look how thin. Wow. That's crazy, like, all that thinness, but her hair look full now. I wish I learned how to do my split ends, but however, I don't know how, so thanks to my mommy, she still knows how to, she still do it for me. Don't cut too much. I want to keep my length, and that's what that looks like. Okay. Look at all that. Ooh, look at them dead ends. Some split ends. Ooh, they cut all that off. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all, that's crazy to me. She cut it into a bob. I like how they just did the angle so smoothly. Look, I wish I can do that. Okay. Getting on flat irons, baby. Okay, got that Mary J. Blige bob. Wow, look at that. It looks so full and pretty. I'm not even hating. That's pretty. I love the results. Okay. There we have you. Professional cut. So she straightened it. Like she can't go through it at the end. That's not normal. So I can go and really cut. Dang. Time for a haircut. Hair is pretty. It's so thick and full. Wow. Okay, so you got the information from hair books. I like how she did that. Her hair is so pretty and thick. That's what I like about that. Okay. I mean, she is cutting this hair so good, but she had to because she couldn't even get through with the comb or the flat iron. Now she can. I just want to see this result of her transforming this hair. Yes, yes, yes. She'll go back through there again, and because she could not get her comb to go through towards the end. Wow. I'm just so intrigued. I just have to see the end results of this because there's no way. That look a whole lot better. It's more shaped and she can comb through it towards the end. Ooh, look at those split ends. Come with me to get my first silk press. Okay, she's washing her hair. Gonna get her in the blow dry. Oh, that's cute. Oh, snap. It's kind of like a volcano. I can't even talk. Okay. So let me see how she's gonna do this. It's like she's cutting around. Oh, wow. It don't even look like she has split ends. Yes, ma'am. I mean, that worked out really nice. Okay, so this is before. See, they would have went all the way up and cut all that off. But let me see how she's going to do it. Okay. Well, what she is doing. I'm just so intrigued. Wow. Really have to take your time. You won't be chopping off too much hair. You have to have good precision and focus and steadiness. Yes, ma'am. Before and after, yes. Look full and thick. I like that. Her shrinkage tricked me. Oh yeah, they say you always have to blow dry. If your hair is curly, blow dry out your hair. Because you're not going to see or tell if you have split ends or you be able to cut your ends. Ooh, look how pretty her hair is. Ooh, last trim about 5 years ago. 5? Ooh, look how pretty her hair. This how mine was looking, y'all. I had to say goodbye to mine. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's the reason your trims are leaving your hair unhealthy. So she's showing her how to thin it of the hair. But there's the breakage, so none. I think she said she still want to keep her length, but you know, you just have to cut this like dead weight off, and so you can get that fullness back. Okay, so she's gonna go in and cut. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yay. So pretty. I love it. Still fullness, still have length. Looks healthy. And this is the final result. Cleaner, healthier ends and hair that can actually grow now. This is your reminder that trimming your ends isn't losing length, it's protecting it. If you enjoy real transformations like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also hype this video and join the transformation family. And be honest, do you trim regularly or do you want to, or you wait too long? I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to watch my other hair transformation videos. Is it here? Here? But either one, subscribe and watch. See you guys in the next one.